I have another very important video for you guys. It is another emergency video as cryptocurrencies are pumping yet again. So guys, make sure you watch this video until the end. There's some very important information that we have to go over. Bank earnings are not doing good. We have bad news out there. The economy is going in the dumpster. Inflation is skyrocketing, yet cryptos are pumping today. What is that all about? I'm going to be telling you exactly my thoughts in this video. And I'm also going to be doing technical analysis so we can take a look at where cryptos are headed here in the immediate short term. So make sure you guys stick around to the end. Now, if you guys love cryptocurrency content, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe with notifications on, and let me know in the comments below your favorite cryptocurrency that you are holding. So getting straight into the video, I'm just going to make it short and sweet. What we can see is that cryptos are pumping today. The last couple of days, ever since the terrible inflation news has come out, we have seen a massive move in the crypto market. Bitcoin moved 10%, but look at this, Ethereum. Look what Ethereum did today. Ethereum moved about 20%. If you were holding Ethereum, you made about 20%, especially in the Patreon. We put buy alerts right here at the bottom. So you would have made 20% on Ethereum. We did buy alerts for Shiba Inu as well. So congratulations. I highly recommend you join tier 3 in the Patreon if you want to be making money every single week. Even if the market's going down, we're going to make money by shorting the market and other trading strategies that we have in the Patreon. So guys, join over there as soon as possible. But cryptos are going up, and as you understand and well know, inflation is getting really bad. We are hitting record numbers, but people do believe that inflation is peaking, that we are peaking, and that's potentially what is being priced in the crypto market right now. But here is the interesting point. Cryptocurrencies are going up, but the dollar is going up as well. But here, look at this. The SPY, the S&P 500 is going down. Stocks are going down. Earnings are bad for banks today. That we had major earnings for the banks today, and they are down. The S&P is down. We have major banks, JP Morgan and Chase, Morgan and Stanley. They're going down. They're reporting bad earnings. They're losing money. And that is a good sign, because the banks are the enemies of cryptocurrencies. And people, if they understand that banks are going to be going down because of inflation and many other factors, they need to be putting their money in a safe haven, which is cryptocurrencies. So we are seeing right now, before our very eyes, cryptocurrencies begin to decouple from the stock market, where they're not following the stock market as closely. The dollar's even going up and cryptos are going up the last couple of days. So this is very interesting. We need to see how cryptos are going to continue to move, as we had predicted that there's going to be a lot of downwards volatility because of inflation for a whole week. And of course, it did happen. But also something that we were kind of predicting on this channel is that it is very likely that it's going to be the buy the news, sell the rumor event, or buy the rumor, sell the news event, because people were selling off for a whole week of cryptocurrencies and stocks because they were anticipating inflation to be high. So usually on the day of the event, whether it's bullish or bearish, the opposite reaction of what people are expecting happens, and it usually happens all the time. So very interesting. But here we have it, is that cryptocurrencies have bounced up. They're still quite bullish, and we are still recovering. We are still recovering. Now, one thing that we have been noticing is that Bitcoin was forming this trend right here. Bitcoin is still forming this trend, higher highs, higher lows, and Bitcoin ended up coming out of this pattern and bouncing back in and using this as support. So Bitcoin is still respecting, cryptos are still respecting these technical levels, and it's likely Bitcoin could, here in the next couple of days or at some point this month, come up and break this resistance level if we do continue bullish. And I do think that cryptocurrencies have reached a bottom. We have an indicator that I've been talking about on this channel, the Pi cycle bottom indicator. It has flashed 2 days ago, which has called out the crypto bottoms every time. And if you understand that when cryptos are no longer going down based on bad news or whatever asset, whether it's a stock or whatever it is, but obviously here we're talking about crypto, and nothing in this video is financial advice. But if there's really bad news coming out and cryptos aren't going any lower, that's a potential sign that we have reached a bottom. So that's very interesting to take note of. And we must also understand that cryptos have only crashed because of the insolvency issues. Celsius and Three Arrows Capital having to dump so much crypto. That's why we're down this much. You know, even with all of the terrible news of inflation, Bitcoin probably would not have broken 28,000 or 30,000 for the most part. But there's these companies selling billions and billions of dollars like Luna and crypto to, you know, make up for their mistakes. So that's why cryptos drop so hard and so fast. and that's not an issue anymore. So I do believe that cryptocurrencies, despite high inflation, despite what's happening around the world, they're going to go up. And I do believe a bull run is going to be happening this year. Let me know if you guys agree with that in the comments below. And if you believe cryptos are going to be in a bull run this year, smash up that like button like you've never smashed it before. Let's get the likes up to 500 likes. And look at this, guys. Fear and greed, we are beginning to recover. We are beginning to recover from extreme fear just a little bit ago at 8, and we are moving up further and further. So cryptocurrencies overall are beginning to bounce up. I mean, if we take a look at Ethereum, it's up 7% today. This is just crazy. The pumps that we are seeing the last couple of days, and there's a lot of buying power, guys. I mean, look at the 4-hour candles here. These are massive candles. And when you begin to see candles like that, very aggressive buying candles, there is something really big happening. It's different when you see slowly we're going up. But when we reach a 20% move in a couple of days and a couple of pumps, and we just keep pumping, there's a lot of bullish momentum behind the scenes. There's a lot of buying power. There's a lot of whales that are buying right now. The people that are buying crypto right now are at record levels, guys. Whales are stacking cryptos up right now because we are at a massive discount. They know that we're in a massive discount and we're not going to be here forever. We could go lower, sure. We could crash, sure. But the likeliness of us going up from here, since we have crashed so much with most cryptocurrencies, is better, in my opinion, than going down to 10K or 6K. So I do believe that we are getting very close. If Bitcoin, guys, let me tell you this, I'm going to be completely honest with you. If Bitcoin can break this resistance level right here, which is $23,000, if Bitcoin can move another, let's see how much it is from our current level, another 10-11%, there's going to be a massive move, guys. People are going to FOMO in. People are going to be like, oh my gosh, we've reached the bottom. Okay, cryptos aren't going to go down anymore. I'm going to buy now. People are going to FOMO in like crazy because there's a lot of people waiting on the sidelines expecting cryptos to crash to zero and to whatever number they're speculating in their head. These people are going to get left behind. They're going to get left out. So you guys better get ready. The market is, in my opinion, very, very soon going to be taking off, and you do not want to be left behind, caught up in the bearish rapture of waiting for Bitcoin to go to zero. It's not going to happen. Now, if you guys want to get access to these profitable trade alerts, go ahead and join the Patreon. Right now, the link is in my video description. And if you guys want the best trading platform out there, highly recommend using my Bybit link, where you can claim up to a $4,000 deposit bonus by just using my link below. I have special deposit bonuses for my followers only that no other person who is sponsored by Bybit has. And make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, subscribe with notifications on, and share this video with one friend or family member. Post it on Twitter, Instagram, or whatever. And I will see you all later. Have a great night.